Ano? Ready ka na maglaro ngayon?
Ready na po!
Lagi mag-aaral tsaka gagawa assignment ha?
Opo!
Ano? Ano?
My heart is making itself crazy. You need to see the shape I'm in. It's hard for me to get sleep lately. You got my whole world in a spin. Right from the start, you had a place in my heart. It really made no sense to me. All of my friends say I'm not been the same as I'm all I want to say.
Sige, kaya mo yan. Try mo lang. Try mo. Ninong muna. Ninong muna.
You're my only, you're my favorite.
Putang ina! Hindi ka kaya? Hindi na, tara.
You're my only, you're my favorite. You're the light when darkness comes.
Ay, 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 ay! Ay, ay, gago kayo! Putang ina! Ready ka? Happy? Love you!
You're my only, you're my favorite. You're my weakness, can't you see? You're the reason I'll stay faithful. And you know you're
Ano kaya ba?
I felt it right from the beginning. I never doubted anything. Some people try to reason with me. Some try to plant seeds of doubt. But I was convinced that it was all on my own. I had to use that as my guide. And people who help.
Sky, kaya ba?
Kaya pa, Sky? Kaya pa!
Halika lang. Ano masabi mo dahil dito lang kita? Mas masaya ba tayo sa mall?
Yeah! Yeah!
Sagot!
Yes!
O hindi, yung magalang.
Doon!
Abo!
Very good. Ano masabi mo sa ninang mo?
Ninang, bahay ka sa buhay mo.
But I was convinced that it was all on my own. I had to use that as my guide. And people who helped me as a jury were on.
Tangay na sobrang pagod ko. Sky!
Kaya?
Ha? Okay, talon!
I was acting for the ride. You're my only, you're my favorite. You're the light when darkness comes.
Guys, tumalon tayo para kay Sky dahil gumawa ng assignment tsaka nag-aral.
You're my only, you're my favorite. You're my weakness, can't you see?
Tangina. Dapat di na lang gumawa ng assignment to.